is Xiaomi's flagship series for the year, bringing a new premium design and capable high-resolution cameras. A new listing suggests that another device will be joining the series, powered by the Exynos 990 chipset. The Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro made their global debut in March as Snapdragon 865 powered 5G flagships. They were soon joined by the Mi 10 Lite and Mi 10 Youth in China. A new report suggests that a Mi 10e is also on the horizon, perhaps trying to be the affordable flagship from the series. Geekbench scores of the purported Xiaomi Mi 10e were listed on /leaks, mentioning an Android 10 powered smartphone which will be powered by the Samsung's Exynos 990 chipset. The Exynos 990 is Samsung's current top-of-the-line chipset, which powers its flagship in countries like India. However, it is significantly superior in terms of processing power when compared to the Snapdragon and MediaTek counterparts. Xiaomi doesn't really opt for Exynos chipsets on its smartphones, but considering the price implications that come with the Snapdragon 865, this could be a way for it to bringing an affordable flagship on the market. The listing also states that Mi 10e will have 8GB of RAM. The Exynos 990 also has a 5G variant, but that bit was not mentioned in the spec sheet. While the benchmark scores are in the right ballpark, it doesn't necessarily confirm a product that will make it to the market. Considering how much flack this chipset has received for its performance and efficiency, we are worried about Mi 10e's existence. In certain scenarios, it is shown to be outperformed by even the MediaTek Helio G90T, which is seen on budget smartphones. According to few reliable leaks, the Mi 10e will come equipped with quad camera setup, with 144 megapixel sensor as the main camera along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and 5 megapixel macro camera along with 2 megapixel depth sensor. We have to take all of these informations with a pinch of salt. We have to wait for some time to confirm any of this. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.